Most business owners fall into an expensive trap when facing legal trouble. They automatically assume the best place to handle lawsuits is their home country. But this common mistake leaves your entire wealth exposed and drains your bank accounts with sky-high legal fees. When you're running your business and all your assets, your home, your investments, your bank accounts, are tied to a single country. If someone sues you there, they can easily target everything you own. You've effectively handed over all your keys before the fight even begins. Handling lawsuits at home comes with invisible costs. In Western countries, legal fees are through the roof, often running into hundreds of dollars an hour. Lawsuits drag on for years, and even if you win, the victory often feels hollow thanks to the excessive price tag. Your opponent knows this too. They understand you're cornered in a system where even success is punishingly expensive. What if instead your business contracts required all disputes to be resolved in a jurisdiction where you have the upper hand? Suddenly, your opponent must play on your home turf. They need to hire foreign lawyers, deal with different legal systems, face new costs, and deal with unexpected delays. Their expenses rise while yours go down. This isn't about dodging responsibility, it's strategic positioning. Smart entrepreneurs structure their businesses to minimize risk and gain leverage. When you control the jurisdiction, you control the fight. Some jurisdictions can dramatically shift the odds in your favor. After working with international legal experts, several stand out for their unique advantages. For example, Mauritius is an island nation with English-speaking lawyers who cost just a fraction of their Western counterparts. Its mixed legal system, drawing from both French civil law and British common law, lets you customize agreements in ways most places can't. Residency is accessible and affordable. There are paths for retirees, entrepreneurs, and even property buyers, and in some cases, citizenship is just a couple of years away. Just think how it would feel for your competitor to get a notice saying they must head to court, on your terms, in Mauritius. Most people would much rather settle than tangle with unfamiliar processes and local attorneys you've already built relationships with. In Brazil, you gain total control over the pace of proceedings. The legal system lets you either accelerate or stall, depending on what's best for your strategy. Sometimes you need time to restructure or move assets. Brazilian courts give you that. Other times, you want to pressure your opponent, and you can move things along quickly. And with language barriers and legal differences, adding more hurdles for outsiders, your opponent quickly faces headaches and mounting costs, while you benefit from local connections and understanding. There are several paths to Brazilian residency and subsequent citizenship. Serbia offers its own powerful advantages. It's outside the EU, so it avoids many complex European regulations, but still maintains high legal standards. Attorneys there speak excellent English and charge a fraction of Western prices. It's an ideal place to build a genuine presence and, with new laws, citizenship after just a few years. Geographically and politically, it's positioned in a way that can put significant distance between you and any Western legal threats. While your opponent burns money trying to navigate these waters, you're operating efficiently and effectively. Egypt represents another option for those who want to play even further afield. The legal system is different from anything found in Europe or the US. Language, law, procedure, and customs all present challenges that usually convince opponents that negotiation is better than litigation. Yet many Egyptian attorneys speak fluent English, and the legal costs are minuscule compared to the West. By putting your legal footing in Egypt, you send a strong message. You're serious about protecting yourself. Egypt offers instant citizenship for property buyers. But it's not enough just to know these opportunities exist. Implementation is key. You need to build real connections, residency, bank accounts, local companies, and establish trust with attorneys before you ever need their help. When you sign contracts, ensure they specify these jurisdictions as the default for resolving disputes. Make it ironclad. This isn't about evading justice, but about ensuring that you never start on the back foot. There are plenty of other useful jurisdictions, each offering their own mix of strengths. Malaysia, Panama, the UAE, all provide alternatives depending on your business and personal needs. The right fit depends on whether you value speed, protection for defendants, cost control, or other factors. The core principle is the same. Don't leave yourself exposed to expensive, asset-draining legal systems just because of geography. Fighting on home turf is usually a losing game, no matter how strong your case. By internationalizing your legal presence and setting the rules before trouble starts, you force any potential opponent to play by your rules, in places where you've prepared and they have not. If you want to reduce your taxes to single digits, make your assets impossible for anyone to touch, and gain more freedom with second citizenships, get in touch with Liberty Mundo and book a consultation call. We will help you develop a complete blueprint to organize your life to safeguard your wealth and your freedom. Follow the link in the description for more details. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.